Press the red button to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get the latest updates from Sonia Goes Natural. Hey friends, welcome to Sonia Goes Natural, and what I'm presenting to you today is mouth-watering, dissolving in your mouth, very super soft Kalakand recipe. And this is a very easy to go recipe. Here I have taken 1.5 liter of milk, divided into two parts. Half a liter I'm going to make chana, another 1 liter I'm going to use for making of the rabdi, and here are the lemon juice, some nuts, cardamom powder, and about 1.5 teaspoon of ghee. So this is the simple ingredients which I'm going to use for making of the Kalakand. Here I have placed the milk on across two sides, because one I'm making chena, so I don't want the other milk to get spoiled with that chena, so I've just placed them far off. So here now, as I'm waiting for the milk to get boiled, because after it gets boiled can I make the, now you can see the boiling has started, and now I will just reduce the flame, let it just be cool down, and then I'm going to put the lemon juice into this. So you can see now I have reduced the gas, it has cooled down, and now I have put in about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and you can see how the milk is curdling and the chena is getting prepared. So this fresh chena plays a very important role in making of the Kalakand, and the texture of the Kalakand comes through this chena. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to nicely sieve it, wash it with fresh running water so that the traces of the lemon just gets away, and then I'm just going to keep it aside. On the next side you can see this milk, I'm just going to cook it till it reduces to the half the size. So 1 liter of the milk, till the time it becomes half a liter, I'm just going to cook it so as to form a thick rabdi type of a consistency. So let it cook and we will wait till that time. Now you can see this milk has reduced to half. I'm just trying to scrape the sides of the vessel and add it to the kurchan, we call it in Hindi, and so this kurchan can get added to the milk, and then this is getting cooled, the chena is getting cooled on the other side. So this kurchan, you can see I'm just putting it into the milk so that it becomes more, you can see now the consistency how it has become, the color has changed, it has thickened to a great extent, and the chena was added to it. Sorry, I couldn't record it. The chena was added right after, before that. When I showed you the chena, as the chena gets cooled down, we have to add the chena in that. And now I've added about half a cup of sugar and elaichi powder or the cardamom powder, and now I'm going to cook it till it becomes a little bit more thick, it dries up to some extent. Here at the last leg I'm putting ghee. Yes, last leg you have to add this ghee and again cook it so that it just thickens up. So you can see how it has thickened up now with the chena and the other ingredients. With adding of the sugar, it just becomes a little bit of thin, but again it just comes to the normal form. Now I have taken this steel tiffin box I had, and I'm going to just put this mixture and just let it cool, and then I'm going to refrigerate it for about 3 to 4 hours. So nicely I have greased it from all the sides, and now I'm leveling it in the steel tiffin box I have. You can just set it in any container of your choice. You can see I have nicely leveled it, putting the dry fruits on this. These are some almonds, spreading it properly, some pistachios, and little bit of the cardamom powder also I'm going to add, because that flavor of the cardamom when you eat this, the kalakand, is amazing. Now I'm trying to press it so that it just gets settled inside the kalakand. The nuts get settled properly so that whenever you cut pieces it doesn't come off. So you have to nicely press all the nuts. Okay, for a healthier version you can always use skimmed milk. I have used full fat milk in this. So now look at this. I have taken out the pieces. It was so delicate and so soft. Believe me, it was just breaking in my hands. So this is actual consistency which we want for kalakand. I'm showing you this, how soft it is. So just enjoy this. It is made very quickly, and do try it and tell me how it has turned out. Till we meet next time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.